What up? Jeff here with all my Bitcoin Renegades. And today we're going to go into some news. But first, we're going to look into the charts a little bit. We're going to see where Bitcoin is. Look at this, guys. We are above $40,000. Finally, we broke the $40,000 barrier. Hopefully, we can close above, and this will skyrocket the price really, really high. All of the losses that we have had in the last month hopefully are all going to be recouped. And I hope you bought a lot more stuff while the market was down, because I knew this wasn't the end of the bull market. I told all of the people that follow me and my friends that when the end of the bull market comes, I will let you know. That is if I find out before you do. So if you find out it's the top of the market, for sure, which means giant sell-offs, huge volume, a blow-off top. There's a big, um, indicators when the top is in. And I just knew the top wasn't in. In my videos, I said we're going to 55K. In some tweets that I did and in some comments and other people's videos and stuff, I had said when the top was in, I called the 65,000 top, and then I called the 30,000 bottom. Now, this was when a lot of people were saying that Bitcoin could go all the way down to 20,000 to the previous all-time high, or even $10,000. I called the bottom. I knew 30,000. That was as low as we were going to go. It's not the end of the bull market. We have a little tiny bear market inside of this huge, a little tiny bull trend. I can't even say bull trend because that's not the right word. It's maybe a minuscule bear market within a giant bull cycle. Let's say that. And it's not over. I really think we're going to hit $100,000 this year. It's just we're on track for it. When you hear companies like JP Morgan and these other companies come out and tell you it's a bear market, these things, they're trying to get you to sell your Bitcoin so that they can buy it at a cheaper rate. Keep the fear up, which keeps the market down. So hopefully they accumulate everything they needed to accumulate. And if they didn't, oh well. I want to go into the news. I just wanted to show you the charts a little bit. This is the daily chart, and there's not a whole lot to look at here, but I do want to check out before we leave here. I do want to check out the hourly chart and the 4-hour chart just to see if there's anything in here that catches my attention and that should warrant any immediate concerns or immediate happiness. Like, are we going to bounce all the way up to 50,000? Is there anything in here that's going to tell me this? Well, I'm still learning about TA, so in my videos, I am not going to do technical analysis because I do not want to mislead you guys in the short term, because I don't know how to do it 100% yet. I'm going to be honest. I am learning. There's a learning curve here. I just started doing TA like last month, basically, and so I'm not 100% there. Like, I kind of piggyback off of other people with TA right now. I'm not going to lie. So I don't see anything special here. Let's just see if there is. Oh, better plug this in. Didn't realize we were unplugged. Okay. Well, I'm still doing this here. What is going on there? Okay. All right. I definitely didn't want to do that. So. What is this? Oh, that's the big line that I had from before. That's kind of funny. We just broke out of this huge resistance level right here. Look at this resistance, goes all the way back here. That is something I do know. Man, look at that resistance. We barely even came up to it here, fell far below it here. This is that 40K resistance that I've been talking about, man. Look at this. We barely touch it there. Boom, we have the breakout. So this is actually 40,000. $40,200. That is the resistance level right there. 40,200. And we are below that right now, but we did come above it. And it looks like we closed, a few hourly candles. The thing is, did we close in the daily above it? Oh, that's kind of weird looking. Hold on. We did not. Oh, man. We did get above it there for a minute. I don't even know what some of this is here. But yeah, we went above it, way above it, but we closed below. Unfortunately. But that still might not be bad news for us. Um, so what I wanted to do, I have a few stories in here that I want to pull up on my computer now. One is billionaire investor Paul Tudor. Paul Tudor Jones wants to have 5% of his assets in Bitcoin. So I want to go in and talk about this. So in the future videos, I'll have this all set up and ready to go for you guys so that you can tell. Oh, why did it stay over here? It didn't jump over to the new tab with me like it should have. Oh, I think that was the difference in the way that I did it. Hold on here. Let's see. Well, I might just make this a little video about the charts, and we'll make another one here in a minute about the news. And yeah, I just wanted to try this new app that I have out so that I can record on my computer. That way, you guys can have a full screen picture of my channel on your screen, because that little, phone screen, it might be one of the reasons that I don't have more viewers and more subscribers. But I want to thank every single one of you subscribers personally. I appreciate every single one of you guys and gals. Because of you, you give me the motivation, the inspiration to continue doing this and to keep helping us make money together as a community. I am going to be telling you when I am buying and when I am selling. Lately, I haven't had a lot of money to buy because most of my money is in the market, and I've been going through health issues and family issues. I don't want to get into all that. I'm not complaining. I'm just giving you the reasons why, I'm doing some things. And I just want to thank you guys. I really do. When you smash the like buttons, it puts my video into other people's visual, because it's telling YouTube that people want to see this, that they like the content that I'm putting out, that it's educational. It is actually not financial advice, though. It is for entertainment purposes only. I have to let you know that. But when you smash the like, when you share it on your social media, you're putting it in front of other people's eyes so that they can see this content as well. It will help me learn how to make these videos because I'll be practicing them more. It'll give me inspiration to make them for you. And I want to do interactive content. So what do you guys want to see me do? Do you want to see me do more technical analysis like this? Or do you want to see me do news and rants? And also, one main question that I have for you guys, do you want me to continue doing intros? Because in my previous run on YouTube last month or the month before that, I had done intros and they had gone over well with the audience. It's what brought a lot of people into me, especially. And do you like me to do the awesome thumbnails? Because on the graph video that I did, it got 100 and some views really fast. I think it was in the first few days. And it didn't get a lot after that because it was only a first few day video for that time in crypto. But the cool thumbnail, I liked it. It was one of my favorite ones that I did. It had a spaceship sucking up the graph like into it and had people like, oh, crazy. And it was just perfect for that. You know, it looked like an alien symbol on the graph, and it was just cool, and I think it was awesome for it. So let me know in the comments below, and plus when you comment on my video as well, that is another positive for the algorithm. It shows that people are interactive with this content. But the main thing you can do is hit that like button. That's the main thing. If we can get 100 likes per video, and then we'll start growing this channel. I also want you guys to vote on the thumbnail, so put that in the comments below. If you want to see me do the thumbnail, if you want to continue to see me do intros to the video, or if you just want me to get straight into it with my what up, here's the Bitcoin Renegades, or do you like, me to find cool intros about what's going on in the Bitcoin world? And, I'll try to make them better than they have been. They've been kind of generic, but I haven't had a whole lot of positive reactions to it. So if I see you guys are liking it, I'm going to put more time, more effort. I'll spend longer looking for stuff. I'll spend longer editing, and I'll continue to make these videos better and better for you guys. So it's like an interactive community. You guys help me out and support the channel with the likes and the comments and the shares. And I work harder to give you better and more content. I start looking at the charts, looking at the news. We start making more money together, and we build together. And I'm actually talking and thinking about doing collaborations with people. A guy offered me Jazzy. He won the $5 in Algorand, which I paid in Dogecoin. He offered to do music for my videos. So, like, maybe in the intros, I could have, cool music from, someone. And I'm trying to network and build a brand called Bitcoin Renegadr. And I want you guys to be part of this brand. And we are going to choose a logo together as well. As we grow, there's going to be so much stuff that we're going to involve the audience, because I want you guys to be involved in this channel. And I want you to feel like you're a part of something, because I know when I watch YouTube videos, I like to interact with the people, and I like to put my comments in there, and I like to, talk with the people and find out what's going on, and, just build a cool community that we can make money in crypto together. Without leverage trading. I don't mind that. I love Carl from the Moon's videos. I know I disagree with him on some things sometimes, but he's a good guy, man. I look up to him like a mentor, kind of. He's younger than I am, but he's an entrepreneur that I look up to. He's one of the reasons that I do videos. He inspired me to do this. Just because we disagree on some things doesn't mean I don't appreciate his videos. I'm down for Carl from the Moon. Good person. He's a charitable guy. He helps the littler YouTuber like me, give us advice. And, that's the same reason I like George, Cryptos R Us. Good guy, man. I would really like to do a collaboration with these guys. I know my channel's small, but how else are you supposed to grow unless you get your name out there and network with people? And once I'm a big YouTuber, I'm going to do the same thing with little people, man. I'm going to go on their channel. I'm not going to do it for everybody. That would be stupid. But there would be a few choice select people that I would want to, help grow and build, a brand for them, or help them build their brand, and so that's what, I appreciate these kind of guys. He might, have a different opinion on Elon Musk than I do, which is fine. That's awesome, dude. You're entitled to that, because, it doesn't mean we all have to agree on those things. We agree Bitcoin is awesome. We agree Bitcoin is going to go to the moon. We agree that you can become rich and change your life right now with Bitcoin, and that probably won't be the case in a few years. It's going to be mainly the rich that have it by then. And it'll be another crypto or something. I don't know. I don't want to get into all that, but I just think that we have a lot of, similar stuff, and that's why, I really support their stuff. And, I think once the word gets out about my channel and everything that's happening, it's going to grow crazy fast. this time I've done it, I got, like 35 subscribers in the last few days. And so we're at 60 subscribers now, and we did our 50 subscriber giveaway. We are going to do a nice giveaway at 100 subscribers. And I'm probably gonna do like 4 or 5 people at 100. I'm gonna do the $20 probably gonna be broke up into 3 sections, but then I'm gonna do an extra giveaway for a couple other people. And I don't know, that isn't 100% yet. I'm still going over everything in my brain and what I'm gonna do, but I want to do something special for the 100 subscriber milestone, because that's kind of special to me. 100 people supporting my content, watching me, smashing the likes. I want to reward them, and helping me get to the 1,000 subscriber milestone so that I can monetize my channel. I wasn't really into that in the beginning. I'm still not. That's not the reason that I'm doing this, but I am trying to build a brand and a company. So I am considering, building my channel and monetizing it. So those things aren't the main focus of why I'm doing this. That's what I want to get across there. That's my point. I am doing this to help people make money. I wish that I would have done this when Bitcoin was at $10,000, when I was telling everybody to buy. I wasn't watching crypto videos at that time. I wasn't into that. I was into making money and concentrating on the market. I didn't realize what a cool community cryptocurrency had, and how many cool people and awesome things there are in it. Okay, enough of all this. I'm going way off track here. I want to just let you know about the 100 subscriber giveaway that's going to happen. It's going to be very soon. It might even be today if we get 100 subscribers today. I'm going to do another video after this to do the news, to get everything out and show you guys the good news, why Bitcoin's over 40,000. So that being said, you know what time it is. Goodbye and good Bitcoin. Bang.